Hello, Waziri.
Alhaji Atiku Abubakar speaking.
Yes, I am Delhi. I represent a group of Nigerians in diaspora, nursing the idea of returning home to invest.
Oh, do come, please, Dele. Yes, do come. And no better time than now, as I am set to take the reins soon. And will guarantee enabling environment for ease of doing business. Ensure there is security and steady power supply.
Oh, well said.
You see, Dele, infrastructural development, poverty alleviation, and economic empowerment is priority. We shall create jobs and restore hope for the youth. Encourage investment in large-scale farming and grow agriculture. Build a worker-friendly environment, egalitarian society which fosters the respect for the rule of law and high regard for human rights.
Wow, you just got my support.
It's time to unite Nigeria, secure Nigeria, and create prosperity. Get articulated now. Vote Atiku for president.
We are friends of Atiku.